Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to yet another tutorial, and in this tutorial we will see how to create a Windows instance. So far we have seen the how to create the instance of the Ubuntu and everything and security groups and all these things. So now I'll show you all how to create instance for this thing Windows. So click on the launch instance over here, give some name, and after that click on this Windows image because we will be using this image over here, and login key pair, I will just select this AWS trial key which I have on my desktop, like this thing private key of it. And if you want, you can create a new key pair. Just go and watch my previous tutorials in which I've shown you all how to do this. We have also seen in the previous tutorial how to create the security groups. If you want to attach the security group, you can attach the security groups over here, but as of now I will not do that. Over here you can define the size in terms of the GBs of your image, EC2 instance image what you are creating. Okay, and here are the advanced details which we will see in the future classes, but this much is enough I guess for this tutorial. So I will click on the launch instance over here. Okay, so this is my instance which has been launched and created. So let's do one thing now. Let me just show you how to connect to this EC2 instance of the Windows. Click on the tick mark over here, click on connect, and we will be connecting to this instance via this RDP client. So click on this RDP client, and after that click on this download remote desktop file. uh, this is that file. Okay, and if you just double click on it, you will get this particular pop-up. Click on connect. It will initiate a remote connection over here, and while logging in you will be in need of the password, and in order to get that password I will show you what to do. So on my desktop I am having this private key. Okay, so what just happened? Okay, so let's do one thing. I will show you how to get the password. So click on this get password over here and upload the private key file. Okay, so I'm having my private key file on the desktop over here. So I'll do one thing. I will click on this upload private key file. It is there on the desktop, so I will upload it. It will fill some data. Click on decrypt the password. After that you will get this password, copy it, and again go to that file, double click on it, click on connect, and just wait for a while. It will initiate the remote connection. Okay, let me just retry. Okay, so I retried, then it will ask for the password. Just copy paste the password which you have copied from here. Click on OK, click on yes, and boom. So here we are inside of that EC2 instance of the Windows, and let's just wait for a while. It is loading right now. So this is how you can create the instance of the Windows, and inside of it you can just play around and see like how you can make use of the Windows instance. And yeah, that's all. So here is the Windows instance. You can just click on this symbol over here, and you can just check few things here. Microsoft Edge is also there. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. So this was all about how to create the Windows instance in the AWS. Keep watching my tutorials, and in the future tutorials you will see and learn a lot many things about the AWS. Thanks for watching. So if you want to close this EC2 instance of the Windows, click on this crossbar and click on OK. Okay, so thanks for watching, and keep watching my other tutorials as well.